How's it going, everyone? This is Sean from the Scale Model Car Guide channel, and this is going to be video number 2 for me. Well, this video will be an update on the model that George gave me the last time I was there to see him, and y'all know it's this AMT open road Chevy mini motorhome camper van. That is what I am building today, or updating you on. I mean, I've started mocking everything up, and we'll show that to you here in a minute, what I've gotten done so far. Like I said, this is just update number 1 on it. But before we do, I always want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. If it was not for y'all, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. I appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Thank you. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go around, guys. Always hit the like button. When I watch somebody's video, it's the first thing I do before I even start watching. I hit the like button. If you don't like them, hit the dislike button. It don't matter. Hey, it helps us get our content out there. Always leave a comment if you can. I always leave a comment. Always leave a like. It's not hard to do, guys. Subscription is free. It'll never cost you nothing to watch me. I'm not one of them channels that's going to ask for a Patreon or PayPal or anything to support me. I don't need it. Guys, just watch the channel. Support everybody in our community. Just help the model community grow. Just help a young one pick up a model and start building. Get off them damn video games. Build a model. And that's all I got to say about that. And before we get this video started, now guys, I go over to George's house. And I always go over there and we do a little play date, I guess you would say. We talk models and check out some of his past builds, and we just shoot the shit. And we just enjoy each other. We've known each other for a long time, probably going on 30 years. I don't know. It's been a long time. I've known that guy forever. And, I've always looked up to this guy. He's been my mentor in the model building community. My first, not YouTube, but, just outside here in Arkansas, just in our community and stuff. And I love the guy to death. And he's probably going to get mad at me for saying this, but he's not been in the best of health, not been feeling good. So prayers for him, please. I know I pray for him. Love the guy to death. But with that being said, the last time I was there, y'all know he gave me this camper van, and he just told me to build it. He wants me to build this. And here it is. The box is rough, but man, the thing was mint inside. It had never been touched. Y'all see that? Like I said, the box is rough. The box is not what I'm building. I'm going to shut up, turn this around, and show you what I've gotten done so far, okay? Maybe. Alright, guys, this is what I've gotten done so far. This is my mock-up. Want y'all to see that. I have got the camper top built. I've got the engine block sitting in there, some of it glued together. And I got parts falling off. Here is the camper top, guys. Y'all can see that right there. I don't know if it's going to focus very good or not, being that white. I'll have to do some sanding and stuff like that. But this is the top of the camper. Y'all can see from the inside there. Y'all can see I got the little toilet there, the bed up here. I got the range. That's where sink goes. See if I can't get this off here a little bit and kind of give you an idea of what's going on here. I'll have to deconstruct it for you. It's all white plastic. It's hard to tell, all the details going on in there. You can see the back, that side, the panel side of it. Guys, I'm kind of stupid sometimes. These instructions right here are terrible. You can see they vaguely tell you where to put stuff. Right here, everything's kind of horrible, and especially on this end of it right here. Well, I got to building this damn thing, and it shows you from this angle right here. And here's the side window right here. I had this in here, and so I got to putting everything else together, and I got to realizing, man, you're going to see straight into that toilet. You're going to see into this cabinet over here, all kinds of crap. And I said, and then too, on top of that, all the curtains that come with this thing. I don't know if you can see that. All the little curtains that come with. I got to counting windows, and there wasn't enough curtains to fill the windows. So, dumbass me. I didn't, well, of course, it don't even say when you read it what's going on here. It vaguely shows you the side panel right here, and to cut out the hole for a little portal window to go over where the sink and stuff in the range, the stove goes. Guys, that is some terrible instructions. They suck. But me and my little retard brain here finally figured it out. And so thank God I didn't use no welding glue like I normally do to put this in. And I was able to pop it right back out, thank God. Because I thought, man, I done screwed this up. But as you can see right here, I got the big old mud tires on the back, stock tires on the front. Got the little Chevy engine in there. Got the column made. We're just going to have to deconstruct this and show it to you guys. Let me move this off of this. Let me show you what's going on here. Let me move this down. Move stuff out of the way. Alright. First of all, let's move the little bed out of there. And that's supposed to be a bed, guys. There's no blanket, no pillow, no nothing. Not even a roll sack. I'm going to have to make something put up there. This right here will be your stove. Just some cabinets here. That's going to be your sink and your toilet, which is right here. It's even got a roll of toilet paper. And it will go inside there. The only way you'll be able to see it's when you pull the top off. There's that. You can see in there, there's the bench. There's your fold up, fold down table. Here's your chair. And it also flips over so you can sit down and eat. Now, I haven't done anything else in this. Let's pull all that stuff out of there. This model is crazy. It don't even come with door panels. So you got a side door here. It doesn't have a door panel. You got this, the driver's side, passenger side door does not have door panels. So you're going to look inside that and say, what the hell? So that's something I'm going to have to build. I'm going to scratch built door panels for it. Had this big old hole right here because, you know, the other option on these vans back in the day, you could put a blown motor right there, engine right there. Let's take this thing apart. See if I can get it all deconstructed here. Pull that out of the way. There's the chassis plate or pan or whatever. There's the firewall. There's the underneath. Here is my engine. It's hard to tell. There she is. I'll have to get her painted up, wired, and washed. Here is my front end, my steering box. Go dropping stuff. And there's my tie rods, you know, drive shaft. Look at there, drive shaft. It's actually got a drive shaft. There's my wider off-road tires, I guess all-terrain tires, whatever you want to call it. It's even got a tow hitch for the back. And I do plan on towing something behind this. I just don't know what. I don't know if I want to do a race car, a dirt track car, a drag car, or just do another trailer and I don't know what, dirt bike, do something behind it. I really don't know what I'm going to do, guys, but There you go. That's the update. I've had it all mocked up. Like I said, the only thing I got left to do is build door panels. Scratch build some door panels for this stuff right here. And then I'll start sanding and getting ready to do some painting. But she sure is a pretty body on her, though, don't she? She's going to be sexy. And another thing about this issue, the hood will actually open. The later issues do not have the hood, do not have the windows here. They're all panel vans. So that's what sets this model apart too, other than having the camper stuff. But yeah, I will do my best to make George proud on this. Alright guys, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will put another video out this week for the Volkswagen Sand Scorcher from the RC Elf. Alright guys, stay tuned for it. Bye.